mshushisi angikubuzi ngale ndlela ebengikubuze ngayo eqaleni ngesikhathi bekuyimina ke bekhola noma ke ekubuza ke imibuzo ingakho ke ngithi ngisuka la ngiye lapha indlela ke imibuzo obuyibuzwa ngayo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now you testified that at the Boksburg Magistrates Court, as you are being led by Mohane and the escort that was accompanying Mohane into the building of the court, you were then approached by a male person that says, I'm a lawyer, I'm sent by your sister to come and assist you. Do you remember that?
Utheke kubufakazi bakho ngesikhathi ke niya khona ke lapha eBoksburg uhamba noMohane kanye noMabhenake lapho wahlangana khona ke nomuntu wesilisa owathi umeli uthunywe usisi wakho ukuthi azokumela.
Yeah.
Yes.
We now know that person is Mr. Mjiako.
Siyazi ke manje ukuthi umuntu loyo kwakuumjiyako.
Now
Yeah.
the question
Yes.
is, Mr. Ntanzi, how much time did you have with Mr. Mjiako to communicate and interact with him before you were led into the magistrate's office in room 2 at the Boksburg Magistrates Court?
Umbuzo yilona ke ingabe waba nesikhathi esingakanani ke ukuthi ke ukhulumeke nomjiyako esekushilo ke lokho ukuthi ubani yena uthunywe ubani kwaba isikhathi esingakanani owaba naso naye ngaphambi kokuthi uhambeke uye kwihhovisi le manje eroom 2.
Osenkantolo kubanga isikhathi eside.
My lord, it was not for a long time
Ngoba yonke into yenzeka speed ngangeniswa phakathi.
because everything happened fast and I was taken inside.
The reason I'm asking you this is that the state posited to you that on the 24th of June 2020 at Boksburg Magistrates Court, you did not ask Mjiako what his name was because you already knew his name and who he was from your consultation with him on the 23rd of June 2020 at Mood SAPS.
Manje ke izathu ke sokuthi ke ngikubuze lokho ke ingoba ke mshushisi kuwena ke akusho kuwena ukuthi awuzange umbuzo umjiyako ngalela langa la nge-24 June 2020 lapha eBoksburg ukuthi ubani nombuza igama lakhe ingoba wawuse umazi vele ukuthi ubani ngoba ngelanga elingaphambili nge-23 zika June 2020 ilela langa ohlezi phansi naye uqoqisana phecelezi ke uconsulta naye epolice station yasePretoria Mood.
Akulona iqiniso lelo.
That's not true, my lord.
Kwayilanga lami lokuqala ukumbona lelo la ngalo langa la 24 eBoksburg. Ilanga lami lokuqala la ngimbona nje mina.
On that day, my lord, on the 24th of June 2020 in Boksburg, that was the very first day that I saw him.
So mayukuthi kuthiwa phambi kwecourt mina ngase ngeke ngambona. Yini pho azothi kimi ngithunywe usisi wakho. Ngifanele usisi wakho izolo ngithunywe usisi wakho. Mase ngithi angibonisa inamba ka6 asangibonise futhi.
If, my lord, it is being alleged or claimed that I had seen him before, why is it then that on that day he then told me that I am so-and-so and I've been sent by your sister and your sister called me yesterday so that I come and represent you. When I then asked him or requested him to show me my sister's number, he didn't do that.
Okay. Let's move on to a different aspect, Mr. Ntanzi, which is the communication between your cell number with 6890 and that of Mjiako with number 7605. Now, the state has taken, like I said at the beginning when we started our interaction, that they've taken you through cell phone records extensively for a period of over 2 weeks. So we're not going to repeat what they said, Mr. Ntanzi.
Asidlulele kolunye ke udaba manje udaba ke luxhumana ke phakathi kwakho noma ke inamba yakho u6890 kanye nenamba ke abathi ke idaba kaMjiyako u7605. Udaba ke lokuxhumana kwakho udaba ke umshushisi ke achitheke isikhathi esingangamaviki amabili ke nawe azingeke ke siphinde noma siphinde ke lokho bese nikhulumile.
What is crucial though is that the state taking you through the cell phone records between the communication between the number 6890 and 7605 posited to you that the police called Ms. between the two numbers started on the 31st of August 2020.
Okusemqoka ke lana ukuthi ke kuloko bekushiwo ke umshushisi kuwena ke ukuthi laba please call me ababe bethunyelwa ke phakathi ke kwale number kuyinumber yakho 6890 no 7605 baqala nge31 August 2020.
You remember that?
Uyakhumbula lokho?
ngiyakhumbula lesho.
I remember him saying.
Now, what is of importance with respect to this communication between 6890 and 7605 is this, Mr. Ntanzi. There is no telephonic contact between the two numbers on the 23rd of June 2020, the very day when the state alleges that Mjiako consulted with you on the 23rd of June 2020 at MOD SAPS.
Manje ke nge-23 zika June 2020 ngalo ilanga leli umshushisi noma ke abashushisi abathi ilanga ke leli owaconsulta ngalo naye umjiyako epolice station yasePretoria Mood. Akukho ukuxhubana kukhona phakathi kwalama namba amabili ngalelo langa lelo langaphendula.
As a court, please, my lord, we do appreciate this is re-examination, but counsel is also putting leading questions interspersed with argument. We submit, my lord, that this last question is just simply a leading question and also stroke argument.
I'll rephrase, my lord. I'll rephrase. Mr. Ntanzi, were you shown from the cell phone records communication between 6890 and 7605 on the 23rd of June 2020?
Manje ke kulama record buwakhonjiswa ke lana ke oxhumana ke ngaba khona yini owakhonjiswa phakathi kwe number 6890 no 7605 kwange 23 zika June 2020? No, my lord.
Did you personally notify Mjiako that you were held in detention at MOD SAPS on the 23rd of June 2020?
Ingabe wena wamtshela yini ngokwakho umjiyako ukuthi wena wawusestokisini epolice station yasePretoria Mood?
Cha ngizange mtshela Nkosi enkantolo.
No, I never informed him, my lord.
Ingakho nalapha phambi kwakho bengishilo naqala mina ngisafuna ngitshene ukuthi mhlawumbe ngazi ukuthi ubani wayemtshela ukuthi ngiboshiwe.
Hence, I said before the court, my lord, that I still request or expect from him to tell me as to he informed him that I was arrested.
Nokuthi ubani lo wayemkhokhela ngoba ekhaya yimi ngisebenza ukuthi ubani wayemkhokhela.
As well as who was providing or giving him financial instructions, because I was the one that was gainfully employed at home.
As the court pleases, my lord, I see we are fast approaching 11:20. Will this be an opportune moment to take a short adjournment?
Okay. Yes.